Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a regulatory compliance framework with Bitstamp, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining what a regulatory compliance framework is. Understand the importance of having such a framework in place for cryptocurrency exchanges like Bitstamp. Identify the key regulations and legal requirements relevant to your business operations. Gather information on local and international laws that apply to your jurisdiction. Conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential compliance issues. Engage stakeholders from various departments, including legal, finance, and operations. Develop compliance policies that align with the regulations you've identified. Create clear procedures for the implementation of these policies. Establish a training program for employees to ensure they understand compliance requirements. Incorporate regular audits into your compliance process to monitor adherence to policies. Set up a reporting system to track compliance violations and rectify them in a timely manner. Document all compliance activities for transparency and accountability. Stay updated on regulatory changes that may impact your compliance framework. Review and adjust your compliance framework regularly based on new regulations and operational changes. Leverage technology solutions that can help automate parts of the compliance process. Foster a culture of compliance within the organization to encourage ethical behavior among employees. Ensure communication channels are open for discussing compliance issues without fear of retribution. By following these steps, you can effectively build a regulatory compliance framework with Bitstamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.